Welcome to Tech and Code Report. I am Emil. In today's video, I will show you how you can install N8N on your local PC without Docker and for free. So first of all, you need to install Node.js on your Windows machine. Go to download Node.js and over here simply select version 24.12 LTS as it's the most stable version, and then you need to download the MSI installer. Click on this button. It will take few seconds to download. Once it's downloaded, simply open this up, click next. Okay, and then what you need to do is over here make sure to select this option, which will help us install some necessary tools that are required for N8N to run successfully on a local Windows machine without Docker. So please select this option to avoid headaches for later. Then click next. It will take few seconds to install. Okay, once this is installed, I will then guide you on the next step. So depending on your PC specifications, and it will take some time to install. Once it is installed, then we will continue on installing N8N on your local machine. So while this continues, it takes some time. We will open up a new tab and you can simply search N8N locally install Windows machine. Just write this, okay? And instead of going here and there, go to run your node locally. Okay, so then we need to run this command, and once we run this command we will be able to install N8N on our PC. Now as this is done, I will click finish. It will open up an additional command prompt. Just click any key, another any key. It will take some time to install the additional tools that are required. Once that is done, you will be able to just install N8N. So depending on your internet speed, your PC specifications, or the raw power of your PC, it will take some time. So once the additional tools are installed, you need to open up Windows PowerShell and run it as an administrator. Okay, once this is open up, you need to copy this command and it will install N8N globally on your PC. So you will be able to run it from anywhere using Windows PowerShell. Once this is installed, you need to ignore this. Okay, so ignore step 2, step 3, and simply N8N start will be able to open up your N8N on your local machine. It takes some time to install. As you can see, the cursor is revolving around. It will be installing some npm packages. You might get some deprecated warnings and there will be no errors, but ignore any warnings you get because N8N is using some old npm or Node.js packages. So for that purpose, you can ignore it and will be good to go with your N8N on your local machine. Remember, this is running without any Docker. So for installing on Docker, there are different steps, but the easiest way for a beginner to install is this. As you can see, I'm getting some warnings and things, but ignore that as it doesn't matter right now as we are just learning. So it's done finally. As you can see, all the packages are installed and it is running completely fine, or sorry, it's installed completely fine. Now I will write N8N start and I'm quite hopeful it will run. Okay, so it is starting up an environment. Okay, as you can see, it is running on the local host 5678. Simply copy the localhost URL which is running on the port 5678. Let's add it over here. And as you can see, it is asking me to set up my account. If you are using it first time on your local, you will have to create an account, else it will ask you to log in. So let me create an account. Okay, I will say send to freelancerpakistan@gmail.com. Write my first name, and the password would be something you guys cannot guess. Okay, so let me write this again. After setting up my password and email, okay, as you can see, I am signed in. So I already had some data on my local, and it just popped that up, and I can create new workflows. Go to settings to see my actual information. So as you can see, my email is this, and different usage planes. You can create workflow, and you will be good to go.